So today we will start the introduction about C++ programming language. So basically C++ is a general purpose, case sensitive, free form programming language that is supports object oriented or procedure and generic programming language. So normally C++ is a middle level language as it is encapsulated both high level and low level language features. So C++ is also developed by Banjar Storm, and it is developed at AT&T American Telegraph and Telecommunication Bell Laboratories. It is introduced in 1979. So normally C++ basically was developed make writing good programming easier, more pleasant and individual programming language. So next one, the features of C programming language. That are the number of features. First one, that is called is a simple. So simple C++ is a simple language because it is provide a structure approach to break the program into a parts. Next one, that is called is powerful, portable, then machine independent. So normally portable is called is C++ language portable and program made in it can run on different machines. Middle level, that is called is it support the low level, high level programming structures. Then also structure oriented programming language. In this we can divide the program into several parts using functions. Next one, also it support the high rich libraries, that means IOStream library, CMass library, CSTD library and FStream library. Next one, also C programming has been developing high level, speed and flexible. Next one, C programming support the recursion, that means program functions call by itself. Also it support the pointer. Next, quick compilations can be compact the run and quickly, hence the compilation and execution time of the C++ is fast. They also support the memory management. That are the some features of C++. Then application of C++, that is first one, developing operating system, developing gamings. Also it can support the compilers, editor, database systems. It can be used to create database like SQL, etc. Graphical packages and interpreters that can be support the C++ program. Next one, syntax of C++. So firstly here show the hash include iostream.h is my header file, that is called as a preprocessor statement. Hash is called as a string token signification, include is keyword, I is input, O is output, stream.h is called as a header file. Next one, hash include conio.h, that is called a console input output. After that main function will be started with the void main and body will be started of the curly brace. Then CLR SCR is my clear screen, that is called a predefined function. Also C out function with the with bracket, that is called is my insertion operator. Hello world, so that is double quote will be closed and semicolon like a print statement, that is my output function, and get CS for the predefined function and close my directly structure. So basic structure that will be run on the my code block software. So I am run my code block software for the basic program, hello world program. So it will be opening. Select the C++ language. Now showing here it is my first basic program. Also in that one statement, that is called using namespace std, it can be provide the space or visibility to the variables and functions. So using namespace std is my standard namespace is a collections of name using as a keyword. So normally compile and run that program and showing the output as a hello world. That is my basic program. Now it will be another one, that is what is C++. It is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance application. Also it is an extension of C programming language. Given the programmer high level of control over the system and resources and memory management. Next one, C++ was updated in 4 major times like 2011, 2017, 2018 2014, 17 and 2020. Now also it is a new update that is called 2023. So that is called my C++ 11, 14, 7 and 20. Then why we use the C++? C++ is my world's most popular programming language, as called is an object-oriented programming language found in the today's operating system, graphical user interface and embedded system. Also C++ object-oriented programming language, it is called is now clear structure programming, allowed to can be code to be reused and lowering development cost. Then C++ portable can be used, develop applications and can be adapted to the multiple platforms. Also C++ is a functions and easy to learn. That means it is easy to learn. Also C++ can be close to C and C Sharp and Java. It makes easy to program to switch to C++ or vice versa. So that is my uses of C++. Next one, to start the using C++, you need to the two things, that is a text editor like Notepad or write C++ code. Also compiler like GCC compiler, TCC compiler, translator and code into language can the computer will understand. Next one, there is a mini text editor can be compiler to choose from the in this tutorial we can be learn the ideally window. So ideally window we can be shows as a dev C++ we can be run also for C++. So basically search for the code block software, also you can be used to the dev C++. So I am downloading the code block, but still it is PC, that is my code block. So normally I am run for the another ideal that is called in dev C++ ideally download for the C++. So you can be download from the Symfonic website or directly download from the original website of dev C++. So just click on it and download the original dev C++. It is without a compiler and it is with the compiler of GCC and MinGW. So download it. Here the downloading my C++. So just it will be downloading, start from here. It is downloading. Now setup will be directly run as the next procedure. Structure downloading C++. So next one ideally is called as an integrated development environment and compiler the code. The popular ideally that is code block, Eclipse, Visual Studio, Dev C++, free and they can be used to the both edit and debug C++ code. Note, web-based ideally that work will as a functionality is limited. So also can be run online compiler that is called is Programize. Okay, then JDoodle and also HackerRank. That is my number of online compilers will be available in my in used for my C++. Next one, C++ quick start. So basically here the first program of the C++ with the extension of the .cpp hash include iostream using namespace std and int main. So basically C++ program with the hash include is my standard input output library function provide cin and cout method for reading from input and writing from output. Next one, hash include conio.h is header file console input output library. The get function is defined in the console input output file. Then void main, and the main function is the entry point of the every program in a C language or C++ language with the keyword specific return no value with the void keyword. Then also inserting statement. So cout that will be the like hello world is used to print the data like hello world in my string. And then last one that is called my get ch is ask for the single character, press any key it blocks. So that is my C++ program. So normally just save the program and run. My ideally will be executed just downloading, then double click on running the statement of the ideally, and then ideally will be completely downloaded, then it will be installed and it will be used to the program for basic program running statement. But I am using that here, that is called my C++. So showing that is my basic program, and now I showing the output of that program. So that is my hello world program. So next one is called in iostream, is stands for input output stream. It collections of predefined functions or method, and it's called library of C++. Include is header file into the program. Next one, hash is called as a preprocessor, and it includes the library of the C++ into the program before execution of the program. Then console input output, and void is my return valueless return type, and then main function for entry point, clear screen for the screen, CLR SCR is my clear screen, and then it is included in a console output input header file. Also cout is my keyword for the print data out or information of the data to output screen, and it always used to the with insertion operator, like it is my insertion operator, that is my insertion operator. Next one, get cs is predefined function which is used to hold the output screen, and it acts as like a duster on the output screen. So basically that is my C++ introduction. So normally I am install that another ideally window, that is my Dev C++. So just double click on it, my ideally window setup. You can be sure, yes, welcome to installing the Dev C++. Please do not install the version of Dev C++ over existing इंस्टॉल. ऑलरेडी आपके पास C++ डेव C++ एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो आपको क्या बोलेगा, ये वाला वर्जन ही कोई और वाला वर्जन होगा तो आप एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हो. बट आई एम जस्ट क्लिकिंग एग्री एंड देन नेक्स्ट एंड देन माई ब्राउज विंडो एंड देन जस्ट क्लिक नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट. Do you want to install this for the user of the computer? Just click yes. And finish. It is loading. When it is completed, please just wait, and then it will be the go to the next steps. As an ideally window has opened, that is called an integrated development environment window will be opening to running the C++ program on that Dev C++. So you can use any one ideally or compiler will be attached to that ideally will be used to the your C++ program. So okay, it will be starting, just loading here. Do you want to? No, it can be no, then next steps, but I am closing here. That is my Dev C++ window will be opening. So go to the file, new project, console application, language will be selected C++, and okay. Project name in program of that PC, D drive. Save. That is my first program. Just execute button will be used, compile, and then save. So that is the 0 error and 0 warnings, and then run. So firstly compile the program. So same that procedure is compile and run. So that is my exception or C programming will be showing here. So that is all my basic introduction of the C++. So that's all it.